How to make iPhone photos look vintage. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. Then, go to the bottom panel and tap on the edit icon as shown. You can now edit the photo using all the options available over here. In the Adjust section, swipe left and go to the Brightness feature. From here, you can adjust the brightness of your photo. Lower the brightness level to give it a vintage look. And then, go to the Contrast feature to adjust the contrast. Lower the contrast as well. After that, go to the Vignette feature and increase the level. Then, go to the Filters section below. From here, you can view and try out all the filters available. For example, select Mono to make it look more vintage. And then, tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily make iPhone photos look vintage.